So in today's video, I'm going to be concentrating on the photography side with a Nikon Coolpix P1100. Now when the P1100 was first released in February this year, 2025, I was really hoping for a larger sensor there, as this sensor is the same size sensor which is in the predecessor, the P1000. So that's a 1/2:3 sensor, and we've still got the 16 megapixel camera there. Now I was hoping for at least a 1-inch sensor, because that camera body is just gigantic, so they could have easily fit a 1-inch sensor at the very least, or maybe a Micro Four Thirds sensor. And also at the very least I was expecting to have 20 megapixels there. But Nikon for some reason decided to keep almost the same specs as the P1000. But all that being said, the P1100 is still an amazing camera, especially when you're zooming in on the moon there. It's just unbelievable how you can get right deep inside those craters. So now I'm going to go around and find some subjects to take pictures of. Hopefully there's quite a few nice birds around, but if there isn't, I'll be finding other things to take pictures of today. And I'll also be going through most of the focal length there. So now let's start finding things to take pictures of. Here we go. So I hope you've enjoyed this video today, and now that you've seen the photography with the P1100, what's your thoughts there? I know it's only 16 megapixels and we've still got that small sensor, 1/2:3 sensor there, but I think it performs rather well, especially when you get that sun behind the lens. And I find anything below 1000mm is really crisp and sharp, but when you're really punching in there, especially to the top end at 3000mm, it becomes a little softer and grainy. And never use that digital on top when you're taking pictures there. So as always, do stay tuned to the channel, as there's going to be plenty more videos on the horizon, especially testing out this new P1100. But for now, thanks for watching, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and bye for now.